So what's up guys, it's your boy VKFX and I'm live here with you guys with another video to show you my analysis for the week, what I'll be looking to do on the chart for the week. So please, if you're just seeing me for the first time, I would like you to like and subscribe to this channel and send this video or share it to any of your friend that is a forex trader who is looking for more educational content. So please, I'll be expecting you guys to share this video so that people can learn from this video. So now let's jump into what we have to do today. So now the chart I'll be analyzing for you guys is GBPUSD, EURJPY, GBPJPY, and either XAUUSD or so. So now, as you can see on GBPUSD, there's a trade that I'm on, but let me delete it for you guys let me delete all the chart lines I have there so that I can be able to explain to you guys how I caught this sell opportunity. So now, as you can see on GBPUSD, I can see for now we are on the buy trend. Like for the past last week we are on buy trend, and for the past last 2 weeks we are on the buy trend. But let's now say for last week, ending of last week, price started ranging and that starts pushing back down to the downside. So now what we'll just be doing, we'll be marking out our support and resistance. I told you I usually mark out my support and resistance from the higher time frame. So this is the high price I've not passed, and this is another one I think price wants to get to. For this, I will not be marking out the wick, I'll be marking out the body. For this one, I'll be using the body of this candle for this one. So now let's be going to the 4 hours time frame. So I do my analysis from daily time frame to the 4 hour time frame, then 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes for my entry zone, for my entry. So now, as you can see, we've been ranging from this high to this low. So let me give you guys. So this is the ranging zone that I've been ranging from. So this is the ranging zone we've been ranging from for GBPUSD for the past 1 week now. Price have just been going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So now, how I got this sell on this GBPUSD is just simple. I told you, if price breaks below its support, price must come back to the support to retest. If it has done the retest, you look for your chart pattern. If you have seen your chart pattern, then you enter your position, then you sell. That's just what I used for this GBPUSD trade. But I'll be swinging this trade because where it's at now, this is not where I'm expecting. As you can see now, this bearish engulfing candlestick, it happened during the London section. Like for nowadays now, price has been moving from during London section. Like if you can go to your chart, especially on XAUUSD during Asian ending section to London section, XAU has been moving. Like I'll show you guys if we have gotten to the XAUUSD part. So now, as you can see on this support that got broken. So as you can see on the support, it's price broke the support and came back to retest. Upon that retest, you can see something like double top. Let me take you guys to the 15-minute time frame so that you can see very well. So as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, what do you guys see on the 15-minute time frame? This is like the first touch, then push back down. This is the second touch. Let's go to the 5 minutes for more confidence. Yes, you can see now. So this is like a double top on the support zone. So immediately I saw the double top, immediately I saw the first touch, I waited. Like I knew price was going to come back to give us our second touch. So I waited. So after waiting, so when the price now came back to give us the second touch, immediately I saw this bearish engulfing candlestick. Immediately I saw that, then I enter my short position. Immediately I saw this bearish engulfing close, then I entered the position there. Then I entered the position there and I was just fixing up to 20 pips so that we can be safe from the chart not haunting us. So now, as you can see now, if I was to take profit here, we would have rounded up to like 36 pips, and we're risking 20 pips. That's just like 1-to-1 trade or so. But this is where I'm looking to take my profit. And I'm sure price is going to get to that take profit. But as for now, I've break even on my trades. Like my trades are secured already, so I've break even. So I'll be leaving this trade to run from today to tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning I'll update you guys on my Telegram channel. And I have a Telegram channel. I even shared when I was about to take this trade on my Telegram channel. So I have a Telegram channel where I send signals, trade ideas, and motivation for my subscribers. We have up to 40 subscribers on that channel. So I'm looking for you guys to join, trade with us, and you make money with me. So anytime I make money, you make money. Anytime I lose, you lose too. That's just it. But we don't lose that much. We win all the time. Winning are for us. So now this is where I'm expected to take profit on GBPUSD. That's just simple. You can see this is just a simple trade. Double breakout and retest. Upon the retest, double top chart pattern. Upon that chart pattern, when I saw my bearish engulfing, then I entered for my sell position. That's just simple. So now let's go to GBPJPY. So I'll be going from the daily time frame. So I have to delete everything for you guys so that I can be able to analyze the chart for you. So it will not just be that you guys are just seeing what I'm doing, you are not learning from what I'm doing. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, for like last week, GBPJPY have just been pushing up. It was on a downtrend before, but now it has started pushing up. So now GBPJPY is at a resistance. It's at a daily resistance. So at that resistance, you guys need to be careful. Price might either break above, or it might from there drop to the downside. So we don't know yet. So you just have to be careful with this GBPJPY. So but what I'm expecting on GBPJPY I'm expecting it to break above the daily resistance. That's what I'll be expecting. And I'm seeing a resistance here that got broken now. And you know, if a resistance break, we must have a retest on it. So what I'm looking to do on GBPJPY, so like guys, I'm seeing something like a trend line, but I'm not sure. Let's just try to connect if it's going to be making sense. Well, I guess it's making sense. I guess. Let's just see. But I doubt it's going to come back to that trend line. But what I'm expecting on this trade, on this GBPJPY, is just for price to push back down here and push up, because this is like a minor support that it created itself. A minor support GBPJPY created itself. So we might likely see price push back down to that support and push up, or if price doesn't want to push down back to the support, price should go this way, push up, come back for the retest of the daily resistance, and we should be buying to the upside. So this is just what I'm looking for on GBPJPY. This is just simple trade setup. Or let me see, like I'm seeing another thing, but I'm not sure. That's just the way I do my trend line setup. I try to connect. If it's making sense for me, then I leave it there, but if it's not, so I delete it. So let's see, this might be making sense, but because of this gap, this market gap that I have there, might just maybe price might move from that resistance, from that support. Let's just see, maybe price come back to this our trend line support, or the support that we have there, and push back up. Or if it doesn't come down, we should expect price to push up. And if price have broken above the daily resistance, we should be waiting for the retest. After that retest, then we should be buying to the upside. So that's just simple for GBPJPY. So So I like doing my things simple. You see that I don't have too much lines on my chart. I like doing things simple, very, very simple. So that's just why I do my things. So now on EURJPY, as you guys can see, you have something like a double bottom here. And I'm sure it's because of this double bottom price have been pushing up on EURJPY. As you can see, price has just been giving us up movements. You can be seeing bullish engulfing, just a minor retracement, bullish engulfing. So now what I'm expecting on EURJPY, let's go to the 4 hours time frame for more clarifications. So now on EURJPY, I can see a trend line setup on EURJPY. I can see a trend line setup. Let's try to connect. This is just simple. These are connect my trend line. And you know, I told you guys in my previous video, before you can connect the trend line, you must have to have at least 2 lows. At least if it's only one low you have, it's not connectable. As you can see, this is only one low we have in here. So where are you expecting price? You cannot say price. You are expecting price to push back here. There's no way you can be expecting it. So you must have at least 2 lows before you can be able to connect your trend lines. That's just simple for trending, for drawing your trend line. You must have to have at least 2 lows. If you don't have 2 lows, your trend line is invalid. It's very, very invalid. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame for more confidence, for more. So now on EURJPY, I can see maybe like another trend line, but not sure. Let me connect it. If it's connecting, if it's making sense. If it's making sense, then we'll leave it and delete the higher time frame trend line. So I guess it's making sense. I think it's making sense too, I guess. So now on this EURJPY, you can see we have a resistance that got broken here. So we have a resistance that got broken here. So now what I'll just be expecting, and you can see now, this our trend line support and the normal horizontal support is correlating. They are both matching together. So that's to tell you guys that this is a main zone where price will definitely act from. So if price gets there, we might see some movement there. So you guys should be at alert on this EURJPY. So it's either we see price, like analyzing with phone is not really easy. It's not easy, but we keep pushing. So is that we see price push back down to this support that is correlating, these two supports. Look for our chart patterns. If we are not using chart pattern, look for your candlestick confirmation. Then if you have seen your candlestick confirmation, that should be able to give you guys your milk from this chart. So I'll be marking this out on my trading view because this is like a sweet setup that I'll be expecting on EURJPY. And note, if a trend line support and a horizontal support or resistance are correlating, are like jamming together, just know that place is going to be effective. That support or that zone is going to be effective. That's the advice I have for you guys on EURJPY. So now guys, let's be going to XAUUSD, which is the last pair I'll be analyzing with you guys here today. I'll call it a day. So on XAUUSD, what I was telling you guys about, as you can see, all this bearish move, all this spike that have been happening, it was during ending of exchange section they be happening. Like if you guys can note, this was around 7 in the morning during London section. It was 7 in the morning it happened. This one was around, let's say around, that's 22, let's say around 11. I don't know, sha. You guys can go and check. But I'm sure all these moves that have been happening, they be happening during Asian section. So now for XAUSD, and I caught a move on XAUSD this morning. I saw it and I caught it on XAUSD. It was my mentor that caught this move. Then after I saw the move, then I confirmed it that this is a good setup that I can catch. So I caught it. So I was shorting from this side. I was shorting from here and I was risking up to this point above the trend line. Then my TP was, then I backed up to like 80 pips on this trade, but the trade went wild. It went wild, more than 80 pips, but I closed when my position was ready at 80 pips on this trade. So what I'll be expecting for XAUSD might happen, might not happen, but let's see. So I will be expecting XAUSD to push up for now, because it has oversold already. I expect it to push up. If it have pushed up already, then price should push back down. So on that resistance, you should be expecting either your chart patterns or you should be using your confirmation. If you don't see any confirmation, just sell from that, because XAUSD can be very, very crazy. XAUSD can be very mad. So if you don't see your confirmation on that resistance, just leave it and wait for what price wants to create for us. So please guys, if you're just seeing me for the first time, I would like you to like this channel, subscribe to this channel and share this video to any of your friends for them to be able to learn from the content I just dropped to you guys for this educational content. So please guys, like, subscribe and share this channel, and my Telegram link will be in the description box. Anything you'll be learning about me will be in the description box. Just go there, tap the link and you see everything about me. So stay blessed and see you in the next video.